First, remove the original battery isolator. Pull off the fuse of the fuel pump. Then connect the wires at the enabling end to the ACC line of the charger. The oil pump test voltage is 13.6 volts, which is connected to the enable terminal of the charger. After turning off the engine, there is no output voltage. This way, when the engine is stopped, the main battery's electricity will not be consumed. Connect the enable end to the oil pump fuse. The yellow wire is ACC wire. Input red wire is connected to the positive pole of the power supply. Black wire is connected to the negative pole. Output black wire is connected to the negative pole. Output white wire is connected to the charging wire and fuse. Just connect the auxiliary battery like this. The lithium battery has been connected. The current charging is 28.8 ampere, and the test is normal. The driving charging is 28.7 ampere, 396 watt, close to 400 watt. The charger is very useful.